Dear friends, today's topic is how to file GSTR 1 and GSTR 3B. Let us see. Just go to Google, type gst.gov.in. Once you have entered into the site, go to login and enter the user ID and password that has been given to you at the time of taking the GST, Goods and Services Tax, for the company. So I have entered the user ID and also the password. Click login. Type the characters you see in the image below. Enter the characters. Now click login. Go to return dashboard. Financial year. (2021) March we are paying. Okay, last month not paying. We are filing the statement for March. Click search. You have selected to file the return on monthly frequency. GSTR 1 and GSTR 3B shall be required to be filled for each month of the quarter. See here, this is the GSTR 1, this is the GSTR 3B. Due date is 11th April, whereas GSTR 3B due date is 20th April. Now click prepare online. Okay, this is the trade name, due date. I'm filing 0 nil tax. So in order to file nil tax, click generate GSTR 1. Generate GSTR 1 summary process is initiated. Please recheck after 1 minute. Okay, just wait for 1 minute. And click refresh. See, now it is dash here. So after 1 minute you will get 0 0 everywhere. Just wait for a minute. Click refresh and check. Click generate GSTR 1 summary. Now the time is 11:50. Let us wait for 1 more minute. Here I am filing GSTR 1 and GSTR 3B as nil return. There is no incoming and no outgoing services or products. Once it goes to 11:51, we will refresh. Until then, just wait. Okay. Now, let us go and refresh and check. Yes. Now, all the values have become 0 instead of dash. That means the summary has been displayed and has been generated. This GSTR1 summary has been generated as 0 value. We are filing 0 nil return. Right. Now what you have to do is click this. I acknowledge that I have reviewed the details of the preview. Information is correct. Now click submit. Click proceed. Okay. So come down. Again click acknowledge. Click preview. Download it somewhere. Save it and then open it. Check. Okay, form is GSTR1. These are the details of outward supplies of goods or services for the March 2021. Okay. So we are filing nil tax. Okay. Now just go to returns. Financial year 2021 March, search. So GSTR1 has been submitted, but we need to file GSTR1. Click that button. Now go down. Okay, now click file return. This has already been acknowledged. Now click file return. Summary for filing is not generated or is not available. Please try again later. Just wait. Let me refresh it. Let me go to returns once. To March, search. Status submitted, but we need to file GSTR1. File return. Yes, now click this. I hereby family perform and declare. Then authorize signatory. Select this. Click this authorize signatory. Then there are two options: file with DSC, file with EVC. This is filing with digital signature. This is with Aadhaar card EVC. Click that file with EVC. Now OTP has been generated and has been sent to both mail IDs and also phone number. Just click onto that and check it. Pick your mobile. 1 minute, let me check. OTP, EVC. Okay. One-time password has been generated. Let me type it. Click verify. Okay, now GSTR1 of for this GST return period March 20 has been successfully filed. Okay, acknowledgement reference number is this one. GSTR1 can be viewed on your dashboard. This message is sent to your registered email ID and mobile number. Okay. So I have filed this GSTR1. Then go back to returns. Next step is to file GSTR3B. Select financial year 2021, March, click search. Now you check status is filed. GSTR1. Details of outward supplies of goods or services. GSTR1 has been filed. Now come back to monthly return GSTR3B. Click prepare online. Now do you want to file nil return? Click yes. Click next. This is advisory. GSTR1 file status, but a reverse charge GSTR2B not generated. As there was some input tax credit, it was not generated. Click close. Now click this, then click authorize signature. Now either you can preview this. Also file GSTR3B with EVC or DSC. DSC means digital signature. Have EVC with Aadhaar card, electronic verification. Okay, so I am filing GSTR3B with EVC. Click that. Again message might have been come to your mobile number and email ID. So you enter the one-time password. Okay, now click verify. Okay, filing successful. GSTR3B for GS PIN number this period March 2021 has been successfully filed. This is the acknowledgement number. Okay, click OK. Now both GSTR3B and GSTR1 has been filed. Go back to returns. Okay, click search. Now you check it. Monthly return GSTR3B status is filed. Okay. Similarly, GSTR1 status filed. So both returns GSTR1 and GSTR3B, which is to be filed monthly, has been successfully completed. Okay. Hope you understood. So let us log out. Log out. This is the process how to file GSTR1 and GSTR3B. Thank you. Thank you so much.